But that said, this was a bad trial. The number of children who died in the control can't be compared to the number of children who died on Trovan because the number of people in the control were low dose. The children in the control were low dosed. But remember, the point at issue was about consent. So, and I think that was a little bit lost in the Second Circuit. The focus was on what a bad trial it was, and could easily get lost in conversation. Yeah, I'm fully aware that there's a lot more to be said about who said what.
What about the question, though, of how your legal analysis applies to all of these other trials that are going on that have nothing to do with pharma companies?
It doesn't, and I purposely limit it to corporate trials because the ATS is so sketchy at this point. I wouldn't want to predict. I mean, they're trying to use it in the Guatemalan case, and I think they'll have statute of limitations problems there, but I kind of don't know, and I didn't try to answer that question.
Yes.
This was a question particularly for Roman. I was wondering whether you had any insight in terms of the list of benefits that you had. The slide went pretty quickly. I wasn't able to see all of them. For the benefits that were being proposed and selected from by the vaccine manufacturers, do you have any insight on what the logic was behind which items were there? And I'm thinking this particularly in the context of some of the debates about what benefits should be owed to trial participants and to their communities. But sometimes the argument being made that it needs to be in-kind benefits in terms of the pharmaceuticals or research benefits against developed as a result of trial versus benefits that are fair and whatever the community or the trial participants actually agreed to. So was there some attempt to, was there a notion of fairness? Was there an attempt to have in-kind benefits, or what, was it just the sausage that got the news?
I should start by saying that